Hello everyone. In this video lecture, we will be discussing about the hydrological cycle. So, if you are going to study about hydrology, which deals with the occurrence, movement, distribution of water, the first and foremost thing that you should know is the hydrological cycle. So, let us discuss about the hydrological cycle. So as you can see from this figure of water cycle, which is taken from United States of Geological Survey. So the water cycle consists of various forms of and movement of water. So you please look at the figure and you see and look, we'll start with the ocean part. So in the ocean, due to solar radiation, there is a lot of evaporation of water as you can see from the figure. So when it goes up, it condenses and then the precipitation occurs either in the form of rain and snow. So when this rain falls, there might be evaporation directly from the rain, and the rest of this precipitation, when it falls into the surface, it either goes into the ground as infiltration or it runs off the river or deposit in the lake. This river then they runs to the ocean and the cycle continue. So there is a lot of component of this hydrological cycle in which we are interested in. For example, if you are working in the field of irrigation engineer, then you should know about how much water is going into the ground so that the plant can take the water. Or if you are working as a hydrologist, you should know how much water is going into the river so that you can control floods and all. So the components of this hydrological cycle is very important if you are going to study the hydrology. So let us discuss about the first component of hydrological cycle, that is precipitation. Precipitation is nothing but a form of water, be it rain, snow, hail, sleets, that fall into the earth's surface. So in India, generally we would talk about rain, snow and hails. So all of you, I think you know what is rain. And snow is not very common in India except in colder climate like Sikkim, Himachal Pradesh and all. And then this hail and sleets, they are this, as you can see from this figure, they occurs during completely different weather condition. So hail generally it occurs during summer. So if you see in this figure, hail is nothing but this frozen rain that falls as a ball of ice. I think you must have seen this. And sleet is nothing but it's a mixture of rain and snow, and it generally forms during winter. So these various forms of precipitation may have further subclassification. For example, rain may be further classified as light rain, moderate rain, heavy rain, depending upon how much rain has occurred in a particular day or in a particular hour. So in this slide, you can see the classification of rain as per IMD depending upon the intensity of rainfall. Likewise, we will be having various type of subclassification of various type of precipitation. So let us talk about the mechanism of rainfall. So for rain to occur, there must be sufficient moisture content in the atmosphere. So the principal source of this moisture content or the water vapor is the evaporation from the sea. Then the second largest source is the evaporation from water masses on land. And then the third source may be the transpiration from the vegetation. Then in order to get rainfall, it is necessary that this water vapor they get higher into the atmosphere. For that, so we have different mechanism. In fact, rainfall is classified as different type based on this mechanism of lifting of water vapor. So once the water vapor is being lifted, then it should cool itself. So cooling alone, it cannot lead to the formation of water droplets. Therefore, we must have sufficient nuclei in the atmosphere to aid the condensation process. Then this water droplet, they will start colliding with each other It will take approximately 8 millions of water droplets to form raindrop of about 5 mm diameters. Then finally, this product of condensation must reach the Earth's surface. That is how we get the rainfall. So based on the lifting mechanism, the rainfall are further classified as frontal precipitation, convective, orographic, and cyclonic. So we will discuss in detail about this different type of precipitation in the next video. Thank you.